My name is Eli Hughes. I am co-founder and the chief technical officer for Tzero. Tzero is an industrial Internet of Things solutions provider. Primarily, my role is stitching together technology pieces, but I have a really heavy background in electronics design. So I end up doing a lot of electronics design, circuit board layouts, and a lot of the fundamental work of us getting to a hardware platform. We spin things really quickly and go through many prototype cycles. If you imagine sending something away to a contract manufacturer, waiting 2 weeks, that loop just is difficult. I can sit with, say, my mechanical engineer and upload it to the portal, check it out, see if there's any pieces that need adjusted in terms of, what parts we use, the circuit board technology. It's been really helpful because we can kind of understand ballpark on the price, meaning what's driving cost? Was it layer count? Is it something on the BOM? If I have to throw something over the wall and wait even days for a quote, we may have to make changes to our design that we have to re-throw over the wall, and it can be a week or two sometimes. That kind of link to price early on is really important. I argue the tools for design and engineering are better than they ever have been, whether it's using a circuit board tool or mechanical or software. It should require less people to execute more designs, right? And if you're adding more people and you're adding these tools, I always ask the question, why is that? We should be more efficient because the tools are better than they've ever been. Moving to something where you have a structured means for moving data to contract manufacturer and getting a quote without having to spin up resources on the other end of someone manually quoting something. It's something on both ends. So to me, CircuitHub kind of pioneering this is a big deal. That would be a message, is if you're not looking at manufacturing this way, in 5 years, I think everyone else is going to be doing it. You're going to be left out. People who are not adopting this new way of digital on-demand manufacturing, you're missing on this value stream that already exists. So that would be why I think people need to know why CircuitHub exists. Certainly.